response to some question, but not the one I asked, which was with respect to what you mean by mediocre when you're talking about standards, not process. But maybe I'll try a different question, which is that you specifically say that this would make things worse for gifted students and special ed students. What impact, if any, would the Common Core state standards have on local school districts' acceleration policies, which are in place to make sure that gifted students are moved along at the pace that's appropriate to them?
Mr. Chairman, Representative Phillips, I think again when we talk about the particular mathematics standards, what my understanding is, in effect, we create a box here, which is the Common Core box. People above and people below will probably not be well served in terms of that. When you look at the mathematics standards, and I'm intending to present to you one of the mathematics experts, so that we can talk about how this is mediocre in terms of where we want our students to be if they're going to go to a four-year college. Again, the creators of the standards admit that we're preparing folks for a two-year college, not for a four-year college. We're moving algebra back a year. We're changing the geometry that we're teaching. We're coming up with new computation methods that are untested. There's a whole series of things under the mathematics standards that are going to be different. And I think it's going to be, if you could talk with parents in Indiana or Michigan, you'll find the reason why they put a pause in Indiana and a halt to funding in Michigan was because they saw the textbooks that were aligned to Common Core and what they were presenting in terms of mathematics. It was ultimately baffling to a lot of the parents who are, many of them thought they were pretty good in math until they encountered the new computation methods, change to geometry. There's a delay in when people get to algebra, and as a result there's a delay in when they will get to things like calculus. So we would like for our gifted students want to gravitate toward that. Common Core does not enhance or support that notion. As a matter of fact, it kind of slows down where we want our gifted math students to get to. So